This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lisa Matheny. Welcome home to this well-kept home located in the beautiful 55-plus community of Lakeside Hills Estates. Featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, large Florida room and includes an oversized carport, plus an outside storage plus laundry room. Both of the bedrooms are spacious with vinyl plank flooring and have walk-in closets. The kitchen includes the newer stainless steel refrigerator, range, microwave and dishwasher. Some of the important updates include new double-pane windows, new paint inside and out, plus a new washer and dryer which conveys with the sale. The home is being sold furnished, which is ideal for a winter resident. Just bring your clothes and move right in. This is an adult 55-plus community and includes the land. There are no rentals in this community, which makes it nice and quiet. The HOA fees include water, sewer, cable television, lawn care, mow and edging, clubhouse, pool and access to the beautiful Lake Gibson. Located close to shopping, and I-4 which gives easy access to Tampa and Orlando.